This is size 14 light wire hook, and thread I'm using is Uni 80 Thermal. Touch and turn. Take this waste piece off, and I will explain the materials one by one, and I'm just gonna stop just right there. Now for the tail I'm using yellow partridge, just about 5 or 6, it's entirely up to you. Body length a little bit longer than body, so if you just take these off and just catch them gently. Sorry, it's just too short at the moment. Yeah, pinch and then catch it. That's fine. And for the body I'm using strip quill. This is dyed yellow actually. It's kind of a bottom feather, so you won't see much color on it. Catch that just the same time with this tail, sorry, and then go, sorry, when you're happy, I'll just cut this off with the level. So now just use touch and turn gently. It's a very delicate fly, imitates a lot of upwings, early season upwings, especially marsh brown and olives and everything. So I'm just making it very close to marsh brown. So I mean, you can use super glue on the body, but I prefer it just without super glue. What I'll do, I'll just kind of add a tiny bit of varnish or UV resins. So when you bring your quills up and just leave it just a tiny gap in each turn, and just catch it gently, scale it, and just take this off. Now basically the tail should be like a little scruffy, but I'm just stroking it to stay in the position. What I'll do, the next step, I will add a tiny bit, very thin, hardly any varnish on the body, just for a security, durability, so you don't break after a couple of casts. So dry the brush completely and just gently apply that, not too much. Brings a nice color as well, and that's fine. I mean, if you want to put extra varnish and smooth bodies, entirely up to you, but as I say, this is a dry fly, so it will go a little heavy if you put extra varnish or UV resins on it. Just cure it for a few seconds. Make sure it's cured all over. That's fine. Okay, the next step would be adding hackles. The first hackle I'm using is a red game cock hackle. You can use saddle or brown, any color. So what I will do, I will add that gently, catch it, skewer it, and just pull out this little piece and just take it off. Now it's just something extra I'm going to add, which is you don't have to do that, but I find it looks nice. It's a dyed yellow, or you can use it natural color. Strip quill, sorry, peacock feather. Just about a few turn, that's fine. Catch it gently, couple of turn, take that off. With this fly, you seems to have a, patience, because all the fibers and everything are very delicate, and I have been fishing with this fly last season, early season, and unbelievably this is very, very effective pattern. As I mentioned, they kind of represent, imitate a lot of upwings, March brown and all this. So if you just bring these hackle few turn, and then just catch it again and skewer it, sorry, few turn, take that off. Okay, just gently stroke these back so we can make enough kind of space. Use next hackle is a partridge, brown partridge. As you see, I just pull this front bit out to catch it, and if you just keep facing opposite, so all the hackle goes forward towards the eye. Catch it gently, and take your time, and make sure you just cut this piece off very close. That's fine. Don't worry about any bits and bobs. It's a very, in general, it's a very scruffy fly, and very effective. So just come back on the front. I'm going to use a hackle plier and just stroke them back. It's only a couple of turns you need. It's just basically to represent the legs, and then and catch it again. Okay, then scale these, few turn. I'm just going to keep the tension and pull that off, and that's it. Basically it's a whip finish. As I mentioned, you can use different tail, different thread. It comes in olive. You can use olive hares here, different color of hares here, quill body. So it's entirely up to you. Now I'm gonna just kind of stroke these forward and show you how it looks in general. I mean, close to a March brown, and you can use different colors, different tails. Very effective pattern, especially early season, beginning of the season, when all the upwings are hatching. And this looks very scruffy, and I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you very much for watching. See you next time.